Alright, warning, this mod contains loud noises, jump scares, flashing lights, and strong language. Credit to the ones who own the sounds and textures. You have been warned, buddy. Yeah, well anyways guys, it's Luigi's Basics, Into the Sewers. And by the way, hey guys, it's me Luigi, and here with FNAF Luigi fan and G4mer. Well, yeah, we are ready to play this. I can tell this game looks creepy though, but I'm the right age to play it. Oh yeah, just so you know, the problems can be a bit hard, by the way, so.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna try to use, the calculator. Alright, well. Just gotta wait for it. I'm just so excited to play this mod, by the way.
Nelson, that Luigi's
Maybe I may do FNAF Luigi Fans Basics next. We'll see.
Okay.
By the way, guys, I'm not telling you who voices Luigi doll because I don't want to spoil it. You guys will see. Don't worry, it's loading. There we go.
Oh, the sewers smell like shit here. Big ass mess. It's like Garfield.
Yeah, it's like Garfield's guy Biohazard, but alright. Let's get this sold.
Welcome to Luigi's Quick
Hey, Luigi!
Right here on the code named Luigi. Keep up the good work.
Okay.
Oh. I like the Luigi pan. I like how they're showing hands, though.
Wait a second. What are these damn ass problems, huh?
Oh.
Where did this quarter go from? Ugh. Whatever. Problem 5. Keep up the good work.
Here comes Luigi doll is back. There he is. There's Luigi doll. There's Sonic the Principal.
By the way, that was in the week.
I won't know that.
Even while Luigi's back though. Glitch field.
She called it easy glitch world.
Wario. Oh. Hey, I recognize the music. 3. I always hear that music in Smash. I always hear that music in Smash Bros. Ultimate, like every time I'm playing the WarioWare stage. Well, this is such a bad idea. No, come in, no.
Okay.
Oh my god, thank god I'm safe.
Okay. Oh god.
Wario. It's 29.
It's sad.
This is kind of impossible to solve.
Wait, not
Is it?
Just look.
This is.
Actually, Luigi does too.
Hey, Johnny, old boy.
No. No one.
Hey, Luigi doll. You want some soda?
Oh.
Ooh.
Wait, is that coming behind? Uh-oh. It's like a hat.
Alright. Anyways.
So yeah.
Is it 27?
Okay.
Yes. Anyways, though, I'm actually surprised that. Wait, did Kwaisoki get the help from Q Master Pro?
No, we have to sell.
Oh.
Um,
Oh my god, I thought it was COD for a second, because I heard, like, this won't be
By the way, yes.
Hey, Sonic.
Man, see?
Papyrus.
Yeah.
and it was a car.
Hello
Wait,
there. Is that Papyrus?
Phones.
Alright. Hey, Sonic.
Wait. That's crap.
Yes.
Careful, careful.
Clear. Clear on the fire.
I heard someone outside.
Oh yeah, I see this. Why is Mario not in this mod? Oh yeah, from
What's his name?
Oh, luckily, guess what? I have an extra V soda. Wait, did I just get caught by Sonic?
Okay, what the
Okay, no swearing on my channel, please.
fuck?
Hey!
You're watching
I see Wario. Waluigi time. That's Waluigi time.
That's the
it. That's weird.
Alright. No, if I survive, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh, thank God Sonic's me.
the game is not.
Alright. Alright. Anyways, I am ready for this. Alright. 13. Alright. 1 plus 5 times 5. It's 26. Alright. You know what? I'm getting out of here. Alright, I'm about to get out of here.
You can't do it.
I can't see! Oh no, this is bad! This is bad!
Come on.
This is bad!
Oh, what?
I don't know where he is! I don't know where he is!
You are.
Just keep going.
This is how to
There! Oh my! I just don't. I think this is gonna kind of an impossible game. This is actually very impossible. Oh no. Wait, I'm gonna wait till Sonic goes away.
Also, crap, this guy.
Actually, oh, okay, this is not good. I am getting the heck out of here.
No, good. Please not. Please.
I am getting the heck out of here as soon as I can. I am getting the heck out of here.
No. Yeah. He made it. That is close.
I am getting the heck out of here.
Hell out, one.
I am getting... No! No, oh my god. This reminds me of me staying at a creepy place and getting away. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Oh no. If I make this... Come on, push me! Yo! Yes! I did it! Let's go! I did it! And there's a picture of Luigi doll showing. I did it! I did make it. Well, anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.